Good day and welcome to the YouTube channel of Casa Designs. In this video, we are going to walk you through the design of a 3 BHK duplex residence on a site of 1,200 square feet in Kuvempu Nagar, Bangalore. The wall decor paintings in this walkthrough are sponsored by Habitat Symphony Arts and are available for purchase. You can visit their Instagram page to see more works and customize artworks of your choice. The profile link is in the description box below. Don't forget to like our videos and click that bell icon for alerts on new content. You can connect with us through WhatsApp or email, the links of which can be found in the description box below. On the ground floor is a 2 BHK and public space for car and bike parking. We enter the duplex 3 BHK on the first floor and are greeted by a contemporary style shoe rack and storage in the foyer. Going in further is the spacious living and dining, designed in a combination of modern and rustic architecture, the latter seen in the finished concrete flooring and walls. This design focuses on the use of plants in all the living spaces. Besides visual beauty, indoor plants clean the air, improve concentration and productivity, reduce stress levels, and boost your mood. The semi-open kitchen is designed in a combination of light and dark colors, white marble countertops and wood finish laminate cabinets along with patterned tiles for the backsplash. Attached to the kitchen is a spacious and well-ventilated utility for all your cleaning purposes. The guest bedroom offers a warm, earthy feel to the users, designed in shades of brown and grey. The interiors of the attached bathroom are in matching shades. A special feature of this residence is the cantilever staircase with marble finishing and mild steel railings. This is the children's bedroom, designed in contemporary style architecture. A semicircular shelf serves as a partition between the sleeping area and study area. A balcony with glass railings provides space for interaction with the front road. This is the attached bathroom, also in contemporary style, finished in light, pristine colors. The master bedroom is styled in complete rustic, with the use of golden oak finish for all the furniture and flooring. The large windows on the side bring in ample amount of light and ventilation into the room. The attached bathroom has a unique combination of black sanitary fittings against terracotta finished walls and off-white floor tiles to bring in a touch of nature. At the very top is the open terrace with planters on the edges. The contrast of contemporary and rustic finishes to the elevation as well gives an aesthetic charm to this dream home. We hope you enjoyed this design tour. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below.